Welcome back friends. Today in this video we will discuss on sneaker shoes for girls. Sneaker shoes are a great choice for girls because they are comfortable, stylish and versatile. They can be worn for a variety of activities from running and playing sports to going to school and hanging out with friends. Sneaker shoes also come in a variety of colors and stylish so girls can find a pair that they love. These sneakers are very good. Sneakers shoes are designed to be comfortable with cushioned shoes and flexible materials. This makes them a great choice for girls who are active and on the go. Sneaker shoes come in a wide variety of colors and styles so girls can find a pair that they love. This makes them a great choice for girls who want to express their personal style. These shoes can be worn on office, work, and some other events. These shoes are very comfortable and stylish. These sneaker shoes are also called joggers. These are flat and very comfortable, so you can wear these footwear in any event like office and going to market. So if you are looking for a comfortable, stylish and versatile pair of shoes, sneaker shoes are great options for girls. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.